Hello, everybody, and welcome to the final Grange Headteacher CCCU assembly of the entire year of 2021, 2020, 2021, our whole school year. And we know what we aim for at Grange. We know what we're trying to achieve. We know that we want to have a great caring attitude. We really want to care. We always want to be trying our best. And even if we make a mistake, it doesn't always feel nice to make a mistake, but we want to learn from our mistakes because we always want to be improving and making progress. We always want to be getting better. And we use everything we learn, our education, we use it to help us to make good choices as we go along in life. And we never give up because we are CC learners. And we know about strength. It's important to have physical strength, to eat healthy food, to sleep enough, to exercise. That's really important. But we know that our greatest strength comes from deep inside us when we aim to be the best that we can be. And we call that character strength. And that can help us to solve any problem that life throws at us. So Grange style character strength, well, that's confidence for ourselves. That means I really care about me. I really want me to have a good time. I really want me to live a good life. I really want me to enjoy my life and to be happy and healthy and successful. And I balance that with consideration. I really care about the world. I want the world to do well. I want to make sure the world does well, and I want to care about people around me, and I want to make sure that people do well. If I've got those two things, confidence and consideration, if I balance them, the whole world is a better place. The world is a better place. Everybody appreciates and values that, and it's good for us as well. So here are some Grange Pupils of Power, all the children who are sadly leaving us at the end of this year. We're sad that you're leaving us, but we also are filled with hope because maybe you'll take all the good and powerful learning that you've got from Grange and you'll take it with you and keep it forever to help you to live your best life. And also, we're very hopeful because all the new pupils of Grange who joined us in this year, you just joined us and settled down and made a difference and made our school even greater. And you brought yourselves and made our school even more special. So thank you to you. And also, I tell you who gives us hope is every single one of you. The magnificent pupils of Grange Primary School in Harrow. You are amazing. You fill us with hope. You're so wonderful. You come to school with such positive attitudes. You try your best. You CC salute. You CC walk. You do your best at learning. You make progress. If you make a mistake, you learn from it. You get up and you're stronger. And I'm so proud of you. And you fill me with hope. And I can't wait to see you thrive next year. So our character strength focus, well, that is your superpower. And your superpower is your CC way. If you're a Grange pupil, that's your superpower. That's your confidence and balancing that with consideration. That means when you have a challenge, you do it like CC walking, just you do CC living. You think to yourself, I'll look after me, but I'll also look after everybody around me. I'll embrace that challenge and I'll be even stronger because I get to do it. And when I need to learn something, I do star sitting. I sit up straight. I track the speaker. I really focus on what's going on, what I need to learn. I ask. I respond like a scholar, like a thinker. And I respect those around me, and I respect myself. I listen to others. I make sure they listen to me. I discuss, open my mind, and I think, and I contribute, and I receive, and I grow. And that means there is no substitute for each of you. There's no substitute for you. Substitute means somebody else can do the job. Nobody else can do the job of being you. Each one of you listening to this assembly, there is a you, and you are the best person to do the job of being the best you. Nobody else can do that. So, here's some 4 zones wisdom for the holiday. So last week we started talking about the zones of regulation. Some of you know this quite well, but there are different zones, and each zone, it's important to think about, how am I feeling and what can I do to make sure that my behavior is good for everybody around me. That's consideration, because our behavior isn't just about ourselves, isn't just about ourselves, but it's about how the people around us also are impacted, what happens to them when we behave in certain ways. So if we know how we're feeling, then we can be the boss of ourselves and be in control of our behavior. So look at this. This stuff is social intelligence. This is the kind of intelligence when you know how to behave socially with people around you. So if you're in the blue zone, that means you're a little bit tired, you're a little bit grumpy, you're a little bit moody, you're a little bit down, you're a little bit low. If you feel like that, what should you do? Exercise. If you can get outside, even better. If you can get into the garden, if you can get into the park, if you're in the blue zone, exercise, and it will perk you up. If you're in the green zone, which means you're not tired, you are actually, but you're actually just in the right zone. You kind of feel energetic and you feel ready. So that means it's a good time to do some learning, to do some growing. So that's a good time. If you're feeling like that in the green zone in the holiday, read or write creatively, write stories, write diary. You can come and show it to me when you come in December. You can maybe do some crafts, some art. You can maybe go into the garden, do some weeding, do some planting. So if you're in the green zone, read or write, do something creative. If you're in the yellow zone, that means you feel a little bit anxious, a little bit wobbly, a little bit edgy, a little bit not so good. If you're in the yellow zone, breathe. And I've got a little trick for you. If you take a number 8, you know what number 8 looks like, put it on its side. And you take your finger and you trace the number 8. And every time you come to the center, that little point in the middle of the 8 where it crosses over, you change the way you're breathing. So you start in the middle, and let's say you're breathing in. Came to the middle, change the way you're breathing, breathe out. Came to the middle, change the way you're breathing, breathe in. Came to the middle, breathe out. That helps you if you're in the yellow zone. If you're in the red zone, meltdown, you're crying, you're angry, you've lost it, you're totally out of control, stop, opt, find a way to just get yourself out of that zone. My advice is go to the bathroom, splash your face with cold water, and just be away from other people for a little while. So if you're in the red zone, stop, opt. My opt is go to the bathroom, splash with cold water in your face, go. So that's some 4 zones wisdom for the holiday. If you forget it, watch it over and over again. Let me know in September if it worked for you and how it worked for you, because it does work really well. So use these character strengths in the holiday, especially kindness, gratitude, forgiveness, perspective, social intelligence, love. And when we come back in September, let's talk more about those zones, because they are brilliant. They help us to behave brilliantly. They help us to be the boss of our feelings, to be in control of our feelings, and they make the whole world a better place, these zones. They're amazing. So who are our gold stars of the week? Well, bouncing in is Darius and Tasnim AB and Alessia and Yasin and Sama and Ilyas and Daisy and Rada and Hassan and Sean and Janum and Mudassir and Clayton. Proud of you all. Fantastic. Look at you, gold stars of the last week. Well done. So now, these are the annual class top 5 champions. Now, what I did over here is I went all the way back in my computer to September the 1st, 2020, long time ago, and then went right through the year up until this last weekend and looked at all the class charts points and saw who were the top 5 class champions in each class. So in John Lennon, it was Izan and Enya and Millie and Gabriella and Darius. Proud of you. In Malala, it was Alessia and Nicole B and Clayton and Eamon and Nisa. Proud of you. In Rumi, it was Sarah G and Narissa and Abigail N and Kirat and Houston. Amazing. And in year 2, in Picasso, it was Daniel and Kaylin and Justina and Sawane and Sadia. Brilliant work. In Matisse, it was Kirutika and Bathanan and Nicole Yu and Yusuf A and Tommy. And in Klee, it was Gloria and Abigail L and Idris and Saba and Adam S. Proud of all of you. Amazing, because that means you were so consistently powerful. It wasn't just from 1 week or 2 weeks or half a term, that's the whole year. So these are people who got more than 1,000 points, CC points, over the year. And obviously all the top 5 people, you're in that club. But look at all these people in the specials, more than 1,000 points, 1,000 plus. CC club. Paula, Ruhama, Adam H, Lean, Sean, Daisy, Ilyas, Yassin, Hassan, Isaac, Mudassir, Rawan, Wadia, Dennis N, Maisa, Ubay, Dylan, Taranchi, Emma, Davinza, Omar, Saria, Sama, Davi, Sarah A, Mispa, Christina, Safia, Kainat, Malaika, Hanin, Mustakim, Saja, Sophia G, Dalia, Shreyas, Alma, Zion, Abbas, Aram, Philip, Micaiah, Kaja, Zain, Julia, Ruviana, and Bahar. Proud of you. Now, each house really contributed. If you were in the Grange House of Water, well, I looked at each house and I saw some amazing standout powers from you. Grange House of Water, your teamwork was amazing. In Sports Day, that really came through, the way you encouraged each other and worked together. Thank you for bringing teamwork to Grange. Grange House of Fire, your leadership was incredible. The way you gave CC salutes, the way you did CC walking, the way you showed everybody how to do the right thing. Grange House of Fire, thank you for bringing the leadership power to Grange. Grange House of Air, you brought honesty. You were yourselves, which was amazing. And you were yourselves, and you brought that confidence to say, I am me and I am going to be my best. And bringing that power was just so wonderful. And Grange House of Earth, you were the bravery power. You said, I'm going to have a go at being my best. I might make mistakes. I'll learn from my mistakes, but I am going to be brave. I'm going to have a go. Thank you for bringing that power. So all of the houses, you make up the Grange community. Pupils, staff, parents, carers, and governors, all of you make up the Grange community. Guess what? Look at what you achieved. More than 500,000 points this year at Grange. 543,327 positive CC points. More than 500,000. What an incredible achievement. Work together as a community. We need to be proud of ourselves. That is brilliant, brilliant work. Well done, Grange community. So who were the classy classes this year? And now this is not classy classes of the last week or the last half term, but this is from September the 1st, 2020, right until this last weekend. Rumi class, look at you, 23,227 points. Malala class was 25,533 points. But the classy class of 2021, let's all stand up and give a big cheer for John Lennon class. 27,102 points. A huge cheer for you. So we set ourselves a crazy ambitious target of 100,000 points. Well, guess what? We totally smashed it. We're on 125,000 points. More than that even. And we just completely did it. We've set a record for ourselves. We'll see next year. We'll see if we can beat our personal best. We did amazingly. So we are powerful. We are kind. We are loved. We are Grange. We're going to make it. So we've had Freddie. We've had the reindeer, we've had the poplars, we've had the handprints, we've had the campaign of hope, messages of hope campaign. And now all I need to do is bring my trainers in tracksuit on the last day of the tournament, of the last day of school, Thursday, and we can just have a great, great time, which would be wonderful. But we can't leave this year without saying thank you. First of all, we need to say thank you, Grange parents and carers. We also know you as the coaches and mentors of our children. You're their support system for life. Usain Bolt is the fastest man in the world, but he has a coach because his coach helps him to run his best and he's fastest. And every child at Grange, you're blessed with your parents and carers, and they are your coaches and mentors helping you to be brilliant. We have to say thank you. Children of Grange, all of you, you are also known as the future. You give us such hope. You fill us with such hope for the future. Thank you for being the children of Grange. Oh, everybody, children, join me in this. Parents and carers, join me in this. The Grange staff, also known as the difference makers, the amazing adults at Grange who work so hard with such skill, with such care, and with such love. They make a difference, and we are really, truly blessed to have our teachers and educators and school staff at Grange, the adults of Grange who make the difference, who are truly our school. So thank you to them. And all of us need to say thank you to Grange Primary Harrow. An AKA that stands for also known as the greatest school in the galaxy. That's our school. We need to be thankful for coming to our school. We need to be grateful for coming to our school. We each can play our part in making our school even better. And we do, and we did. More than 500,000 points came from each one of us. So well done, Grange Primary Harrow. Thank you to all of you. So one final CC salute of the year, everybody. On your heart, there's your heart. Be your best. Live your best life. And then look at our beautiful planet, our beautiful world, filled with amazing human beings, with amazing animals, with amazing plants, with amazing oceans, with so much learning to do, with so much to just value and to contribute to. So let's live our CC way. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the holiday ahead. Remember those four zones wisdom from the start of this assembly. You can go back and look at it again. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. People of Grange, let's be great. Let's be Grange.